Welcome to Dallas! We got a subscription box. Woohoo! And from MEL Science, and it is 12 years. Well, if you're younger, you can always have an adult.
Hello. Present.
Before I unbox this, I want to tell you, what are the rules? All the rules are set. Okay, never work alone in the science lab. Now remember that. Okay, I guess let's unbox this. This is harder than I thought. There we go. There we go. And here's some instruction kit. It's really cool. I love this feeling. And I guess here's a tray. Now, oh look, here's bird. Always safety first. And then MEL chemistry subscription. Before you start in conducting the experiments. Okay, so let's see. I don't want to know what these things are. Let's open the stoppers. There is 0 holes, 1 hole, and then 2. 0, 1, 2. Okay, let's move this. Stoppers. Then safety goggles. Wow. So 1 for me, this scientist, and 1 for mom, my mom, assistant.
Thanks.
I think I should keep my glass. I'll put it back. You're putting safety goggles on the ears just to make sure?
Yep.
Okay. Here's the flask. It looks like a measuring cup. I think it's a measuring cup. And here's, look, mini plastic cups. They're so cute. They're so cute. Look at them. There's a lot now. And stand for the stove. These are stands for the stove. 2 of them. They look like diamonds. And a beaker! And a volcano! A volcano. And funnel. Here's a beaker, and here's a funnel. So the funnel is so that you don't spill it. You wouldn't want a mess. Like this. It's a mini stove! This is so cute. God, this is oh my goodness, this is hard to open. I think it goes like this. Yeah, like it. Oh, I think this is for the stove. This. I don't know how to put it, but I know it goes on top. A phone holder. Wait, it's a knife. It's a phone holder. Phone holder. I said fold. Oh my god, I can't speak right now. Can you see it? Syringes! My goodness, this is hard. Ah! These are huge! Okay, what's this? Lenses. 2 different types. I know they're 2 different types, but they're big. This is fixed eye lens. The big ones are fixed eye lens. It's super cool. Well, it looks like a fig or an animal. These are micro. It looks like macro, but I think you pronounce it as micro. But you clip it like to the phone. This is hard. Hi. And oh, here's like you open it up. Yeah, what if we don't have to open it? Oh, oh my god. There's a cover on top of it. Silly me. Anything in there? So you open it like this. Like when it comes out of the box. And you put like your phone in here. You put your phone in here. You close it like put the out. Like that. And you put your phone there and let's put my phone there. And put this part in. I didn't turn on the phone. I'm serious. That's so cool. It's like a close-up on your phone. It's so cool. Well, this is for the MEL chemistry app. I guess. So we put your phone in there with the app. And so then you can watch discrete molecules. Yeah. As if you had a powerful microscope. And this is how the stove is. It doesn't really fit on one, so I put on two. And this is to like protect you. It protects you from it. Good?
Yep. I will put a candle underneath.
That's cool. So here's the two apps that are for the VR headset.
Virtual lens, yeah.
Yeah.
And this is what it looks like.
It looks like that because you have to put your two eyeballs in there. But when you actually put your head in the VR headset, it looks
like you're in the actual lab.
Yeah.
And these are experiments.
Yeah, experiments.
That are also on the app.
If you see the color one, then that's my favorite. The one with the milk and that one right there.
And this one.
Oh yeah.
You like anything rainbow. So these are all the experiments. There's much more to the apps. We haven't explored it as much yet, but we want to share with you guys as we learn.
Yeah. Well, this is super cool. Whoa, that was very cool. Super cool. Okay, wow, that's cool too. Everything is cool right here. Everything.
The
Wow.
jellyfish
Whoa,
one,
that jellyfish is so cool. What in the world is that?
So,
Wow.
you see there's so many.
I know. Ooh, pink, blue.
And this is just one part of the app.
Yeah. It's so cool. Oh my god, this is so cool.
So exciting.
I know, it's so cool. There's all these experiments.
So, and then this is what we're going to see in your next video, right, Dallas? This is just a clip.
Whoa.
And what was it called?
Foamy eruption?
Yeah, like a volcano. So that's coming up next. And
Please share, like, and subscribe. Bye for now. Blip, 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 blip. Mwah.
see you soon.
Bye. Bye.